and thank you for joining us, Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. So our question today comes from Jody. She lives in Concord, North Carolina, which is Zone 7. And her question is, when should I plant my peas? So the old saying that you should plant your peas and potatoes on St. Patrick's Day, it's only good advice if you live in Zone 6 or higher. For those of us in Zones 3 through 5, it's not such a great plant. So peas are a cool weather crop. So deciding when to plant your cool weather crops will depend on your last average frost date. So for Zone 7, your last average frost date is around April 15th, and the cool weather crops can be planted in the garden 4 weeks before your last average frost date. So therefore, Jody, you can plant your peas along with other cool weather crops around March 15th, which is very close to St. Patrick's Day. I always check the 10-day forecast to make sure that a stray cold front is not going to come in. If it is, I'll delay the planting until the cold front has passed. So if you would like to look up what you can plant in your zone in any given month, go to our website, thelivingfarm.org, and go to the High Performance Garden Show page. Scroll down on that page and you can find the What Can I Plant Today charts, or you can click on the link on the description below. You can find it there too. You're going to be really surprised as to what you can plant when in your location. So timing your planting is one of the keys to a very successful garden. So if you have a garden question you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. If you would like to learn more about seedlings and watch us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a high performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. And this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the vegetable plants week after week, all season long. We'll even show you a professional trellising system that you can use for your garden. So the show is free and it's online and you can watch it anytime. So go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, and you can sign up there, or you can click on the link below. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information. Submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. So until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.